cheskuru chitari che serikali gose chimanye kanite muna chi private nigo chiarekana chigo chengera ama chiwa maya a grade 9 matemu asoka litukolia Jumatano chitariki 11 asebono no nyene cheskuru che serikali chimanye kanite muna chi public chagendere na chiro chiko korabuya anena se skuru yoboroso ya Kenya Binge yo toke ward ya Kitutu Central imeye bunge ya Kitutu cha South County ya Kisii basokire na kogokera machibu amaya ase abarokiwe komikuru ase skuru eywe bakagirwa no guchikogenda ase national school oseti national school ao engana batebirenga okubwaterana kwa baibuli amona abalimu naboigo omokia bwa barokiwa no gutwara chimbwa chingiya ngati yebinto biro bibya irerete na gosegeta amatunda maya aywe bono bagochengera.
Julius Ocharo, the principal of the school. I talk about your man Mutangani, you have 66 out of 72. 66 out of 72, you go more change point in any other rete, there are two going to you. Togo to man of what my sense cabisa, you have 28. Avana Valley Puro 36, that is the average.
Asama Jedanguru Kennedy Matara, a chairman ya board of management ya school ya Kenya Binge. Di tangani ongwa kiranya sawa ito buyamono asobwa roba turusiri. Igombwira niribia nyasaye na balimu ba neba Kenya Binge asobwo obomo na abaibuli. Wetani ayo abana be school ya Kenya Binge baorokiri the role model kiabono.
Roku Emily Onderi, deputy principal Kenya Binge. Gento kiagalire skuru yetu yakolire buya number 1 no kubwaterana. Omoedi teacher ito abalimu baito abaiboli na abana. Abana baito they are disciplined. As much as tore town school, abana baito ntora atwara mwana obaire no to chandire mono. And then abana baito they have been cooperating.
Iko tuwa grambi jamano sa value bano kubwatera na baiboli in the board of management nero ya gereta matokeo aso getara mya kabisa na bana ba kwa national schools what exceeding expectation ibara bana 10.
So God has seen us through. We are a very prayerful school. Abana baitoboka na mbamanyete mwalimu abo otabo wataanza na sala na tunamalizia sala. So we thank God for this far. Yes.